Alternative home designs, Atriums. You've worked your rear end off and reached a financial status where you can do some dreaming. One dream is to buy some land and build a home on it. You found the perfect plot, and now you're wondering about different styles of homes. Here are some alternative designs to get the creative thoughts flowing. A very unique home design is the atrium home. An atrium home is designed to emphasize an open middle area, not an exterior appearance. If you've been to Europe, you've seen this design in larger cities. You'll be walking down a street lined with bland-looking windows. You pop into one of the buildings to find a bathroom and it is like entering another world. The exterior of the building is no great shakes, but the interior is a slice of atrium heaven with an open area covered in a lattice or left wide open. The interior is a collection of sitting areas, plants and perhaps small pools for fish. Not a bad idea, eh? Taking the design to its full scope, the home is designed underground. The design can be done in a variety of ways, but it is built below ground to take advantage of geothermal concepts. The primary idea is to use the constant temperature of the ground to regulate the climate in the home. The top of the roof is flush with the level of the ground and everything else is below level. For practical purposes, picture an oasis in the desert, but dug into the ground.